going to open up the PlayStation Portal box, see what's in it. Alright, looks like this is just a cover box. PlayStation Remote Player for PS5. And let's see what's in the packaging. Oh, don't forget to look underneath here. Looks like a charging cable. All right, oh, and here we go, the actual thing. The actual thing, guys. Oh, here we go. Ready? Oh wow, look at how big that screen is. It's a lot bigger than I was imagining. Alright, so let's see, what do we have here? Looks like you have your charging port down here. But you can see the controller is just exactly like a PS5 controller with the sticks, the dual triggers, your hamburger button, your PlayStation button right here. And let's check out the screen. And you have it. Does it stand up on its own? Oh, it does not. Well, there's the thing.
Well, there you have it, guys. Everything in the box on the PlayStation Portal.